Hello, my name is Shaun Fritchey. I'm a product specialist for John Deere for the Self-Propelled forage harvester. I'm going to spend a little time today discussing the new F8 and F9 series of forage harvesters. We introduced 11 new models for 2026. Highlight features would be around technology, comfort, and serviceability. So come with me and we'll get a little closer look. As you can see, we've got the new cab on the forage harvester. A lot of comfort features in this cab, better visibility, along with the technology we're going to talk about. It's all tied into the new G5 display options that we have within the cab as well. Technology on model year 26, we're expanding our offering with new ground speed automation features, active field control system that's new and improved, along with a completely new inoculant dosing system to improve that nutrient value of those crops. From a serviceability perspective, we relocated all of our controllers all to one centralized area, so it's easy for the owner or the service technician to access that for service work. One other feature I want to show with you is the new Extreme Kernel processor. For 2026, this is the new Extreme KP featuring our new 12-inch diameter roll. We've got 3 roll configurations available in this one. One will be a straight cut roll, the X cut roll, along with the new small grain roll. The small grain roll works extremely well for sorghum processing. And for more information on the new F8 and F9 series of forage harvesters, make sure you can visit your local dealer or visit Deere.com.